Oh, it was amazing because I tried somebody else before, and then friends of ours from her club, and they recommended you, Wilson Legal. And then I came over, and right away we hit it off. I mean, she was so amazing. She had an answer for everything I asked for, and she's very knowledgeable and very friendly and has a lot of patience. It was great. We really enjoyed coming here, and I think I made the right choice.
That's good. I'm glad to hear that. What would you say to that end? What did you like best about working with Michelle and her team?
She knows so much about it. And then when you ask her questions, she tells you in details what it's all about and how things can change. And it was just amazing. I was very pleased what I did with her, so. And she followed up every time when there was a problem or anything, or I had any more questions. It was no problem. I would highly recommend her.
And if you feel comfortable sharing, what were the problems that they helped you solve? And what were the experiences like? And you're welcome to be as general or as specific as you would like.
Well, I was checking on the trust a lot, on the legal trust or irrevocable trust and all those different trusts. And she had the right idea how to do that. And so we were able to set up a trust. So when we die or something happens to us, everything is done. So we don't have to go to probate and all that with the government, which is very difficult for most people. And that takes a load off us, It was very good.
And what are some differentiators between Wilson Legal and other attorneys that you had spoken to or worked with?
I think she was more direct. She told us exactly what's going to happen and how we're going to do it. And it was a really easy process. I checked with other people before, and they talked back and forth, and after a while I didn't have any idea what they were talking about, But I was able to understand her, and she spoke my language, So it was great, yeah.
Sure. And in what ways has Wilson Legal gone above and beyond for you as a client?
Not being just so professional, she's a very likable person. And you can talk about your family, which is really great. She was just an amazing person to talk to, and to set up different things. And it was great. I really enjoyed it.
Excellent. Well, I'm coming to the end of my prepared questions.
Mm-hmm.
Just have one more question for you. What else would you like the world to know about Wilson Legal?
Well, it's just not about Wilson Legal alone. She's way above and beyond on that. But to have a trust would help most people, especially when they get older. To set up a trust, and you don't have to worry about all the precaution. They have to go to probate. And I know when my mother died, it was just a few dollars there. I had to go to the lawyers forever. It just took a whole year before I was able to settle it. So this would take all that away, and our heirs, they won't have any problems, So this is really great. I recommend it to anybody.